In this guide, I will show you step by step how to log in BNP Paribas. So guys, go to Google and search for BNP Paribas login. Click on the first result here and then add this keyword login. After that, click on the first website here. From here, guys, all you have to do, write your customer number. This is unique customer number, for example this one, and then click this continue. If you forget your customer number, just click this one and then click the first result here, and then you will get your customer number back again. Just follow this simple guide and then you will get your customer number again. If you can also log in with app. Just go to App Store, guys. So all you have to do, go to App Store. From App Store, search for this app, BNP Paribas. Download this app and then log in again with the same method. Just enter your customer SIP number, and then you will log in successfully. I hope this guide helpful for your friends. See you on another video.